In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace images in Figma. Whether you're designing a new interface or updating an existing project, understanding how to seamlessly replace images is a crucial skill. Before we dive in, I want to point out that this tutorial is specifically focused on image replacement. Let's get started. First, take a look at our project screen where you'll see the image that we want to replace. Make sure you've selected the exact image you wish to update. To do this, simply click on the image. Once you've clicked on the image, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Within that sidebar under Fill, you will notice an Image section. This is where you'll manage your image settings. Hover your mouse over the image thumbnail in the Fill section. Here you'll find the option to upload a new image directly from your computer. Click on this option. Now browse through your files for the image you want to use. After selecting your desired image, click Open. One of the fantastic aspects of Figma is how it automatically adapts the new image to fit the area occupied by the previous image. No matter if your new image is larger or smaller, Figma will handle the adjustments for you, ensuring a perfect fit without any extra hassle on your part. And that's essentially it. This process of replacing images in Figma is straightforward and highly efficient. It allows designers to quickly update visuals without the need to adjust image sizes manually, saving both time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content on design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.